In this quick video, I want to show you how to operate any Bissell portable carpet cleaner. And it doesn't matter what model that you have. This one is a SpotClean Pro, but you might have a Pet Max, a Pet Pro, a Mini Green, but it doesn't matter. So they're fairly simple to operate, and we're going to clean this couch here as an example with it. I'm going to show you how to first load up with water and cleaner into your portable Bissell. Now at the end of this video, for whatever reason, if you're here to look on how to operate the stand-up one where you would clean full carpets in a home or wherever, I'm going to show you, I'll put a link at the end of this video. Now you could use this in order to spot clean couches, your furniture, office desks, spot clean your regular carpet, your car upholstery, you name it. It's a great little machine. All right, so first thing you want to do is add your water and your cleaner. So what you want to do is take out the reservoir here that looks like this, and it'll actually show like fill lines here. So this is where we're going to put warm water and we're going to put our formula in. Now there are some Bissells that will actually have a separate reservoir that's to the side, and you would put the full concentrated Bissell formula carpet cleaner in a reservoir and you would slide it down. However, most modern day Bissells don't do that. You would mix in the formula with the water itself. By the way, I'll put a link at the end of this comment section, in the comment section where you can buy carpet cleaner for your Bissell. All right, so what you're going to do in order to fill it, you're just going to take it out like this. And if you're going to do a whole bunch of carpet, you can fill it all the way to the top. This most of you are going to want to do. If you only want to do a half, you could do that as well. And all the dirty water is going to go into here. So what you want to do is take this into a faucet in your home and pour warm water in here. Don't put boiling water. You're just going to put warm water in here. And then we're going to add our formula in after that. But instead of doing a faucet here, we're going to go ahead and, for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and use a picture. All right, I'm going to do a half. All right, so the directions here say, if you fill it all the way to the top, like around here on your fill line, you want to put 2 ounces of Bissell formula in there. And the good thing about the Bissell carpet cleaner, it'll have like a measuring cup. So, but I only did it halfway, so I'm only going to do 1 ounce. So with my measuring cup, I'm going to look on here, and it's going to show 2 ounces right here on this line, right here. So if I want to do only the full thing, I'm going to do 2 ounces, and then since I'm only doing a half, I'm only do 1 ounce, like that. And then we're going to go ahead and pour it in. All right. Put on our lid. And then from here, you're going to see that this fits nicely into this hole right here. So this portion right here is going to fit into here, right? Okay. All right, and like I said, the clean water is going to clean through the brush here, and then the dirty water is going to go into there. All right, so what's going to happen is when we turn it on, you plug it in, and you want to make sure that your little brush is attached. In order to undo your brush, you just push this little button here. That pops out, and you want to see that the water and the formula will go through here, and then it'll come through the spout here. Now, when you push this little trigger here, that's what squirts the water out. So basically what we're doing is we're squirting clean formula in water, and then we're going to move our brush, and then what's going to happen is the vacuum on the brush is going to remove the dirty water, and then these little bristles is going to do the action where it's actually going to clean as you're rubbing back and forth, and it's going to remove the dirt from the couch or whatever surface that you're cleaning into the dirty reservoir. All right, so what I'm going to do is, this is on, I'm going to push this to spray my formula and water onto the couch, and you could actually do the whole couch, and then what you're going to do is you're going to vacuum like this. You can go backwards or forward, and this brush will do the action of cleaning the dirt and the stains, removing it. And so periodically, you want to get all the water, the dirty water that's on the upholstery or on your carpet, out. All right, so let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so basically you get the picture. You're pressing this button, and that's where the spray comes through, and then you let go of the little button, and then you let the vacuum do its magic, and you rub back and forth. That's going to remove the dirt and knock it loose, and at the same time it's going to pick up the dirty water, and it's going to be putting it back into this reservoir. All right, so if you can look at this water, it's probably, I haven't done the whole couch yet, but there's plenty of water left. You'll know that it's time to change out your water when this does not spray any longer. Then you know that this will be completely empty. And then dirty water, you just lift up the handle and pull up, and then the dirty water will come down here, and this should almost look like mud. And then once you do that, you empty it out into your bathtub or your sink, wash it out, and then refill it. All right, in order to open up this lid completely, some of the Bissell models will just go up halfway, and then you can lift. But this particular one with the SpotClean Pro goes all the way down over that hump. As you can see there, that exposes the lid. All right, make sure after you've done your cleaning that you clean your unit thoroughly, because it'll make it easier the next time you use it. You can actually move this little filter here and clean it. Make sure that you clean your handle, and you should be good to go. All right, let me know. Put in the comment section what model Bissell that you have. Do you have a SpotClean Pro like this one? Do you have a little mini green machine? Which one do you have? And again, link in the comment section where you can buy more formula directly off of Amazon. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.